Move to the left slightly. When I'm this side, you're not going to see. That's You do vlogs and stuff as well?
Yes, I usually do Twitch streaming.
Yeah.
But when I'm on travel, I do like travel vlogs.
What we do with the hair, most important.
Yeah, it's gonna be messy because I cut it myself last time. Because I was on travel in France and I didn't find a good barber shop, so I just took my shaver and was like...
This at the back needs to come off.
Yeah, just do your magic. I don't care. It can be a little bit shorter, not too short. Maybe like this. Just bring in a good cut and maybe a nice fade on the side.
On the sides, do you know how short?
The sides.
This is a zero faded.
Yeah, you can do a zero fade. That's okay. Do a zero fade and just like some nice work with the hair so it falls better. You know.
This we maybe put a line in it maybe.
Yes. How do you work here? Or are you the boss? You're the boss, really? It's your barber shop.
Yeah.
Nice.
6 years.
6 years. How old are you? You look young.
Yes.
30, 32? 20? No. You opened the barber shop when you were 18. Oh, really? That's awesome.
Yeah, 5, 6 years.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Time flies, I think.
Yeah, I mean, most barber shops are like really old-fashioned, you know?
Yeah.
But I think within the last 5 years, there's a trend for real, like young barber shops.
Yeah, barbershops usually go in the family, the grandfather, the dad, and the son, you know?
Yes.
This is like starting from fresh.
I think that's the problem in Germany with barber shops. It's only like really old-fashioned barbers, or it's like Turkish barber shops.
The thing is, when you get taught with someone that learned 50 years ago, you kind of stick with that tradition. Right?
Yeah.
Whereas now it's all new stuff. You learn new things every day in the shop. You video places you go and eat for food and stuff as well?
Yeah, probably. I didn't.
With travel, food is one of the big things.
Yes, I know. I didn't found the ones, so I mean, around this area, it's not very special when it comes to food. If you have like a recommendation, just let me know. But right now, I just found like the basic stuff you find everywhere, and nobody wants to see like the 20th Irish pub for tourist food. Or yeah.
Funny enough, here you have a Alejandro's. This is German. This is a German restaurant. It's more for lunchtime. It's too good. You know, the sun, you know, have a quick burger or whatever.
Yeah, okay, but I don't come to Spain to eat German food.
But you have Brown's next door. Brown's is it's a fancy place. You know? You want to try and go in there. Very good food in there. It's the only place like it. That's the thing.
Yeah,
more expensive, but.
Actually try like stuff like kebab stores and all this shit.
Yeah. But yeah, you get a lot of kebab shops.
In Germany we love kebab.
Yeah.
And kebab tastes different all around the world.
Yeah.
So I was at the kebab shop at the Zenia mall.
Yeah.
And the guy actually comes from Germany, from Frankfurt.
That's funny because when I'm going to send you to Brown's, the guy in there, he's from Germany as well. Everyone but Spanish.
Yeah, it's like this area, Zenia, is more for like, not really tourists, but like people like expatriates, right?
Yeah.
They like rented or bought a house like 20 years ago and now they live here. But I think you like noted it from the people. I mean, when you go to tourist area, I don't like the regular tourist.
Yeah.
They book like this 1 week vacation and then they think, oh, it's my vacation, I do everything I like, I drink beer all the day, and I don't like German tourists and I don't like British tourists. I mean, I'm a tourist too right now, but I like to spend like more time, just rent an Airbnb and stay there for a few weeks. But right here,
you go out and do things.
yes, the people are more relaxed over here.
Yes, it's too easy to drink and smoke and everything. That's why everyone's doing it.
Yeah, I was like 4 weeks on Mallorca. It was terrible. all tourists on Mallorca are terrible. Like German tourists are the worst. Then you have British tourists, Russian tourists, even Spanish tourists, but they all come there to party, you know?
Yeah, but I've been down to a beach or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I noticed you have like coffee shops here in Spain right now.
What sort of coffee shops?
Yeah, like for smoking weed, cannabis social clubs. How long are they legal in Spain? Is it a new thing? I never noticed
It's
actually.
legal inside the premises. As soon as you come out, it's illegal. But in Barcelona, they're legal on outside as well.
Yeah.
Here, for the last, I've been here for 15 years, and there's always been coffee shops around. You know?
Really? I never heard of it.
Have you been to any of the coffee shops?
Oh no, I have like stopped smoking like 10 years ago actually. Yeah, I smoked really heavy. Like so when I woke up I smoked a bomb.
Like I do now.
Yeah. Yeah, I smoked like really much marijuana, and right now I think if I go to the cannabis social club I will go there every day.
Then you end up like a tourist.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some people that come over here, they come over, they sit in the bar for a week, then they go back.
Oh really?
They lose your time.
And in Germany I live in Colonia, and I can drive 30 minutes to the Netherlands. I can smoke there if I want to. I don't come to Spain to smoke weed.
Amazing. I know Barcelona is like fully legal, like Amsterdam.
Yeah, but it's different, how you call it, like Catalonia are like other laws, right?
Yeah. It is. Obviously, you have Holland next to you, so.
Yeah. I mean, I can drive to Amsterdam in 3 hours with my car. I even drove here by the car. It was like 3 days actually.
Where did you stop off? France, I guess.
Yeah, in France, and I wanted to drive to Lyon, but I got so tired because I only slept 4 hours the night before. Then I stopped in Dijon, but it wasn't spectacular. It's just like a stupid motel and a Burger King. Then I drove to Spain, right next to the border. I don't know how the name was. It was really small at the beach. Yes. Yeah, and then I actually drove through like 11 hours to Zenia.
To be honest, I've not travelled anything in Spain. I've been to Valencia and that's it, and that's only 2 hours away.
But Valencia must be nice, right?
Yeah, they have the water park there, the Oceanographica. It's water museum.
I heard it's like the most dog-friendly town in Spain, really. So what do you thought of my self-haircut? Was it really bad or?
3 out of 10.
3?
10.
3 of 10. Oh yeah, really bad.
The thing is, I can't cut my hair myself, and I know how to cut hair, so yourself, like,
Yeah.
long bit, short bit, like the back here is not touched, it's like hanging down long.
Yes,
But that's why now I take it off, because it's much better. And the COVID, everyone done it. When the COVID finished, everyone coming in, I had to fix up everyone's haircut.
Yeah, but after COVID was good business, right? But within COVID, you like closed down or?
I closed for 6 weeks. Over 6 weeks.
But did you do? I heard like many friends of mine that they did like home visits, you know? Like
Here in Spain, you wasn't allowed out. Unless you were going to work, you couldn't go out.
it wasn't nowhere allowed, but everyone did it, right? In Germany, I also had a friend, he's a barber, he just made the haircuts at home.
When I opened the shop after 6 weeks, I was sitting here, no cars, no people, because like zombie life.
Yes. It's awesome. I need to feel it, but I think it's... Yeah, it's nice.
You use your hair, you take it too short, it starts sticking up everywhere.
Yeah.
Put a line in the side there, yeah?
Yes, please. Yeah, my girlfriend was complaining. She said I need to go to the barber shop because my hair looked terrible.
Is she here, like in Zenia?
Yes, she's here. We live like 5 minutes from here.
Yeah. But does she work in a restaurant?
No, she's like self-employed. She's doing videos on YouTube.
How do you make your income from YouTube videos?
Mostly from Twitch actually. My YouTube is like still very small. I have like 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, but I have like more on Twitch.
More on Instagram as well.
Yeah, and on TikTok I got like 250k.
Yeah.
I mean, I do everything a little bit. When I'm at home, I like play video games on Twitch and...
You play Warzone?
I played Warzone, but I preferred Apex Legends actually.
There's a big event coming up today for Warzone. You hear about it? Godzilla versus King.
No, I had like all my friends started playing Apex.
Yeah.
And the solo queue on Warzone was okay, but it wasn't catchy as other games, you know?
Yeah.
Right now I play Rust.
I stopped playing PC ages ago, but still follow something. But today is the Call of Duty event.
Yeah, Rust is really big in Spain, isn't it?
I think it's big everywhere now.
In Germany nobody plays Rust, but in Spain it's really big.
Yeah, really. Some wax job. A bit of wax job.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just started and I'm gonna show them the video. Then they have to rate the haircut.
I'll give you my Instagram now for the shop as well.
Nice.
I had a lot of famous people coming. Most was a UFC fighter.
UFC fighter?
Yeah, he had 4 million followers on Instagram.
Oh, really?
Some kids coming. Some kids coming up. Can you sign this picture?
Ah, that's cool.
I'm like, who are you? He gave me his Instagram. I was like, oh shit. They opened a gym in Torrevieja, All Stars gym.
Nice.
Big UFC guys.
Yeah, I also saw there's like a MMA studio right next here, at where the police station is, you know? There's a small commercial area.
Oh, here in Torrevieja?
No, here. You know the police station over here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I've seen that, it's at the bottom.
Yeah, and there's like this house, even with the Swedish hospital, and there is a mixed martial arts studio.
Oh, really? Yeah, because upstairs is the gym.
Yes. Yeah, I saw it.
At the beginning of the troubles in Ukraine.
I actually want to go there, but now I got a broken rib. I can't do shit actually. Can't even sleep without pain.
Many people went cold through the bad months, so they just didn't want to have it delivered. And
They can't probably watch your vlog because they're in German, though.
Yes. But this will be in English. You can have a look at it.
Yeah.
I feel like we get forgotten really. It's really hasn't
Show the back. See what you think of it.
Oh, this looks awesome.
So true.
Yeah, much better than my self-haircut.
There was a big chunk there, I needed to take that off.
Yes, I know. Yeah, really like it.
There we are, man, you're welcome.
I will probably come back. Did you do like...
See what they like on the front page.
Did you do like the styling here with the 90s?
These are my dad's all our old vinyls.
That's so fucking cool. Actually, like Jamiroquai and like Jazzy Jeff, it's like, yeah, legends. All Dr. Dre.
That's my favourite there.
Yeah, that's classics.
My dad used to be a DJ in London before, so he still has all of these, boxes and boxes.
Okay, now I need to check the haircut from all sides. Ihr müsst bewerten jetzt, wie der Haarschnitt aussieht. Ich bin auf jeden Fall sehr zufrieden. Richtig nicer Dude. Sieht gut aus.
And busy, right?
Yeah. I will come. What is your name?
G.
G. Only G, like a gangster.
Everyone calls me Jeevan.
All right.
G.
Okay, G. You want to do advertise for your barber shop?
Come down to the barber shop, get your hair cut, grab your beer.
Yeah.
Only walk in.
Kannst Bier trinken beim Baden. Alright, G. Thank you very much. Ja, Freunde, so, Haarschnitt ist durch. Auf jeden Fall richtig nice. Ich habe auch echt Glück gehabt, dass der Typ damit einverstanden war, dass ich das Ganze filme. Er war halt auch der Inhaber von diesem Laden, richtig krass. Es war halt jetzt alles in Englisch. Ich hoffe, ihr habt ein bisschen was verstanden. Ich weiß ja gar nicht, wo ich die Kamera aufgestellt habe, ob man überhaupt Ton gehört hat. Auf jeden Fall, er hat mit 18 diesen Barber Shop aufgemacht. Ist jetzt 24 und ja, seit 6 Jahren betreibt er halt den Barber Shop. Da richtig nice. Mit dem Haarschnitt bin ich sehr zufrieden. Ich hatte letztes Mal, da war ich in Frankreich unterwegs mit dem Auto, da habe ich keinen guten Friseur gefunden, dann hatte ich mir einfach die Seiten selber nachgeschnitten. Da habe ich ihn gefragt, wie ihm mein eigener Haarschnitt gefällt, der Self-Haircut. Er hat eine 3 von 10 verteilt, weil er meinte, es hing einfach nur komisch hinten runter und jetzt, keine Ahnung, ja, Mashallah, der Haarschnitt, keine Ahnung. Ich habe es ja eben schon mal gefilmt, da könnt ihr auf jeden Fall mal eure Bewertung in den Kommentaren abgeben für diesen Haarschnitt, falls ihr es noch nicht gemacht habt. Der Haarschnitt hat 15 € gekostet. Ich habe ihm jetzt ein kleines Trinkgeld noch gegeben, weil der einfach filmen durfte und ich finde, das gehört sich. Ne? Im Endeffekt ist er im Video, der war nice und ich werde auf jeden Fall auch nochmal hinkommen. Er meinte, ich soll nochmal wiederkommen, wenn ein bisschen mehr los ist im Laden, wenn halt auch der Barber da ist, also der den Bart schneiden kann. Da haben sie extra einen für, deswegen habe ich den Bart jetzt nicht machen lassen, sondern nur die Haare. Aber alles in allem bin ich sehr zufrieden mit dem Haarschnitt und werde auf jeden Fall wiederkommen. Ja, genau, Freunde, wenn ihr mehr von diesen Videos sehen wollt, dann lasst mir jetzt gerne schon mal ein kostenloses Abo da, wenn ihr es noch nicht gemacht habt. Und ich würde sagen, wir sehen uns im nächsten Video. Reingehauen und ciao.